Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. Now, last week was just a downward trend, and we were in a channel, a pretty well-defined channel, to be honest, and that's typical of the DAX. There it is, there, and we had a fake out the downside, and then we accelerated the upside. Now, I'm going to delete that because what you should be paying attention to is this double bottom. Now, there is my neckline. That correct. There's my neckline there. Lots of interaction if you look to the left at that level, and that is at 15,176. Then you have a massive inside bar, well, engulfing bar, then an inside bar here. Lots of tails. This is just indicating that the buyers are coming back in. So if you look at this on a daily, that was just short of the 155 EMA. Look at the moving the oscillators here, crossed over quite nicely. This to me is more than likely setting up for another move to the upside, and what we're aiming for is this area up here. So daily is still very much in a strong uptrend, and that's 15,588. We start drilling down to levels we're looking for. I'm gonna have a look at the 3 hour here, and some really juicy sort of setups here last week, and then in typical fashion just dip below to take out the stop losses, and then a nice juicy pin bar before we're rallying. So I am looking at a few things. So the first thing is we've got a crossover of moving averages on the hour, so I'm looking for pullbacks onto structure. This is the first one I'd be looking for. That's 15,176. We build a base on that. I would be very interested to see what happens, and then obviously we've got the structure here, so that would come into play if we rally past it, then come back and find support there. Now if we just get down to the 15 minutes, day before yesterday, or that Monday, double bottom, inside bar, don't know if there's much structure to the left, but hopefully that was picked up. I just want to just have a look here. Give me one sec. Yeah, so you can see quite a bit of price action at that area. That was a fairly significant level. There it is there on the 8th hour. You can see there, there, and then if you get back to the 15 minute, you can see big 8 hour level, inside bar, always worth it. I mean, that on the pin bar would have stopped you out, but then would have formed another one which would have got you going, and that would have been 120 point stop loss, and you could still be holding on to that trade because it'd be at 691 points. Very volatile market. I'm actually glad I wasn't here. Anyway, what we're looking for today is either a pullback onto 15,176, or we're looking for a break and a retest of 15,266. Either way, we should be looking for the next level to the upside, and just going to do this. That would take us to the following. So first target to the upside is 15,497, and then we've got 15,588. So that 15,500 area is definitely the target we should be looking for. I think the banking crisis is clearly over. I think that's what the markets are telling us at the moment. But don't hold your breath. Something may actually just turn against us as well. So whatever you do today, keep your stops tight. It does look really strong. Excuse me. It does look really strong to the upside. So wait for the pullbacks. Look for opportunities on those pullbacks, and take a trade to the upside. Keep your stops below the structure. So these are 15,266. There's another one here at 15,238, and then 15,176. And there's a gap there as well. There are gaps lower down as well. That would be another area, 15,078. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think one of these higher levels here are going to hold up price for us. Anyway, That's my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.